Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable or enable extensions in Joomla. So the first step is to log in to our administrator panel in Joomla, and when you'll be logged into your website you need to go to system settings, and here we have something like manage extensions. We need to open it, and here we have a list of available extensions. If you want to disable one from available extensions, you need to click on the icon with a check mark on the left side of the name of extension. For example, we have here articles archived, so we need to click on this one icon to disable it. After that, the extension will be successfully disabled, and how you see it is great now. So how you see it really works. And of course, if you would like to enable extension, you need to click on the icon with the gray X. We need to click on it to enable this one extension. So I click here, and after that extension will be enabled. Of course, if you want to install extension, you need to go to system settings, and here you need to select extensions on the install category. So I click here, and then you will be able to upload your package file with extension. You'll be able to install this extension from the folder, from URL, or from web. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.